Great! A gigantic green red candle appeared. So let's move to another pair. Hi, my name is Bella and I'm a professional trader. To start, let's choose a stable currency pair with high interest rates. I'll choose AUD and CHF. Let's take a look at this and let's add Euro GBP and Euro CAD as well. Let's turn on our envelopes on ISMA indicators. Go into the envelope segments and set the period to 5 here. Duration at 001. Choose ISMA here and save. Great. Now we can start working with our indicators. Move into a new pair. And immediately we see an uptrend. Candles have broken the upper boundary of the envelopes, the values of 0 from bottom to top. So let's set the trade amount to $70 and we're going for a rise. While the trade is ongoing, subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Telegram channel as well, because there you will find even more useful information about trading, and of course you will find there signals that will help you to earn more with trading. And super, we earned $30, so the trade was successful. Let's move to another pair. Here we see a downtrend. Yes. Let's set the trade amount to $31. Look at the OSMI indicator. The bars crossed the 0 line from bottom to top. And now the price has bounced off the middle line on the envelopes. We can go up when the price bounces off the bottom line. The price is at the bottom boundary. Let's set for an upward move. Great, we earned $56. The bars crossed 0 from bottom to top. We consider this a good signal for an upward move. Let's take a closer look at what's happening in the market. A very predicted downtrend, making this market quite predictable. Let's go back to the previous pair for now. Here the price has already dropped to the lower boundary of the envelopes and bounced up. It was a good moment to enter downtrend. The OSMI crossing 0 and the fact that the price is above the envelope's boundaries were excellent signals for a downtrend. Unfortunately, we missed that moment. So here on the contrary, there is protected uptrend. Let's look at another pair. Here we see a strong downward impulse, 3 large red candles, and the fall started right from the middle of the indicator. I highly recommend entering on routes from envelope lines rather than a breakout. For example, there was a breakthrough, but it was insignificant, and the price immediately returned within the boundaries. Here we see candle rebounding from the lower boundary, but that immediately gone down. So I won't enter here. Let's go back to the AUD and CHF. The price broke the lower boundary but immediately moved upwards and has already reached the upper boundary. We can enter a downtrend here when the price is above the indicator's boundaries. This would indicate that the market is overbought. Now the price is attempting to break the envelopes line. I'll Also, we see that the lows aren't rising and the price cannot break the resistance line. Additionally, a red candle has formed. As you can see, in the last 5 minutes after the red candle, the price has fallen below the upper boundary. Now. So the price has started to decline. Let's update our amount, set it to $56. And we are going for a down move. Yes, there was a strong downward impulse and we earned $104. The price went even higher and formed a bearish line. When a large red candle followed by a small green one and the red one are formed. After that, the price returned within the indicator's boundaries and stopped at the lower boundary. A support level formed. Also on the ESMA, there was a crossover from top to bottom on the zero value. There's another factor. Here, the price has gone significantly below the envelope's range and bounced off the support line. It's too late to enter an upward trend now. By the way, Euro and GBP has already closed, so let's remove it and add a new pair. I'll add AUD and GPI. Not bad currency pair. The price has been going down for the first time in a long while. We see how support level has formed. The previous support level has been breached. The price has gone significantly down. Yes, on the ESMA, the bars are already at the bottom. This market is clear oversold, but it's better to wait for the price to go down. There are only red candles here, so I'll speed up this moment. Here, as we see, the price went up. There might be a signal for an uptrend on the ESMA now. The price has already gone about the envelope's range. It's a very impulsive moment. Let's wait for a red candle. Here it is. We can enter the trade. Friends, I once juggled learning while working as a waitress, finding little time for self-improvement. At a certain point, I quit everything and started studying trading. But for you, I found a better way. Join my Telegram channel and acquire new knowledge while studying or working. What will my Telegram channel offer, you'd ask? Real-time signals, daily market and stock reviews, effective strategies, and insider tips. It's a real treasure trove for novice traders. And experienced traders won't miss their opportunities anymore. Follow the link in the description below this video or in the channel's description. Subscribe and develop in the field of trading. A look at the ESMA. It's better to enter an uptrend here. Let's wait for the price to return within the range. In the meantime, let's increase the trade amount to $104. The price has returned within the range. We can enter on the rebound from the midline. Here is another factor. Look at those huge red candles. The price is strongly given upwards. Also, at the trend reversal point, the ESMA value was minimal, and after withdrawal from bottom to top at zero. Here we also see how the price bounced off the lower envelope's boundary and went up. The price has already reached the midline and bounced up. Plus, the candles have become small. The sellers in the market have weakened. We're waiting for the right moment and going for an uptrend. As you see, the trade was a draw. But it's alright, we'll enter the trade again now. So that's not a problem. The price has gone above the upper boundary and has already bounced back. The price is at the upper boundary and can go higher. Now let's enter a downtrend with the appearance for the next candle. going down. Yes, the price went down, and this time we finally earned $190. Look at the long shadows of this candle, both up and down. Such a spread tells us that the market is stable and predictable, so it's better not to trade on it right now. Such a spread, I think. Let's move to another pair then. Besides here, currently, there is only a signal for a downtrend on the SMA and nothing more. Moving to the AOD and GPI pair. Here we see an uptrend, but currently the price is going down significantly. We see huge red candles, so won't most likely enter a downtrend here. There's two big red candles, and there will be a third one. On this map, we see a crossover from top to bottom and zero. Let's update the trade amount, set it to $191. And we're going down. Great! There was a very strong downward impulse and we earned $350. The price has gone below the range, indicating an oversold market. It's a very swift decline here. The candle is so big that I think entering the trend here would be... Here, by the way, the candle has bounced off the midline that envelopes again. I repeat again that at small times it's better to enter the rebound from the line rather. Additionally, look at the osmia indicator. The price needs to cross the zero line. And don't forget about the signals from the candle themselves. Let's look at another pair. Currently, there is a strong downward here. Very large candles. Let's go through this example again. The price went beyond the envelope's range. The second signal on the SMA indicator crossover from top to bottom. But it's also essential to look at the candles. We see a bearish pattern and enter a downtrend. Look at the long shadow. The price went beyond the range and immediately returned. When it goes beyond the range, we bet on the price returning to that range. It's quite an unstable pair, but the profit percentage is good. So we see bars moving up. If they cross zero, we'll consider a signal for an uptrend. Like here, the price sharply went down, and also maybe see a crossover from top to bottom. Let's set the trade amount to $346. Also know that the lows are decreasing, so I'm betting that the next low will be even lower. Also, the price is in the middle of the key indicator. The candles are small, so it's clearly not breaking the line. Let's go for an uptrend. Excellent! The price went up. We've already earned $640. There is a familiar hammer feature indicating a downtrend. However, on the SMA, we can see an uptrend signal at the zero line is crossed from bottom to top. So I suggest not entering here right now by looking for some new pairs. Let's set CD and GPI. I remove the pair with a 70% trade. And move to a new pair. Immediately we see a strong downward moment rebounding from the midline. Right, and you can also already gone down and immediately bounce it back. The trend here is clearly downward. Let's wait for a better entire signal. A huge green candle has formed. Also on the ISMA we see the bars approaching the zero line, probably about to cross it. But the trend here is strongly downward, and I wouldn't like to enter a dump trend. So let's move to another pair. Here we immediately see a huge red candle that went down through entire envelope's range. When such big candles appear, it means that the market is unstable. We want to trade here for sure. Let's rather see what on the next pair. Here we see big red candle. The price fell sharply. And after a few small candles, it went up again. So let's update our amount, set it to $641. And the price bouncing down from the midline of the envelopes. We see a red candle with a very small body. But notice that the Mosmi umbrella is increasing and might soon move to the upper part. The candles strive to stay within the channel, maintaining the balance between bulls and bears. But as we'll see, the bears have a slight advantage. The candle just bounced off the superline, sharply rising. We don't expect it to go beyond the envelope's channel, so it's better to bet the bounce going uptrend. Great! A gigantic green red candle appeared, and as you can see, we already earned $1,200. Here we see a green hammer and many large green candles. And by the way, our balance is already $1,200. That's not bad. The SMI bars are very high, indicating a strong bullish strength. The chart has returned to the channel. Let's increase our trade amount to $1,000. The price is currently going up. I think it's worth going for an uptrend. Where the price dropped to the center of the channel, this is another signal for an uptrend. The price is going down and immediately bouncing back, indicating that the bulls are winning. The price will drop lower now. Going long. Yes, another very strong upward impulse, and we already earned $1,800. And our balance now is at $2,000. The price rose sharply. We see huge red candles, which may immediately indicate an increase in bullish movement. The chart is broken out on the upward runs, means that the price should go down. Such a sharp price rise usually anticipates a fall. By the way, we have two very strong resistance levels here. The price dropped sharply, a huge red candle appeared, and the second one has already reached to the lower boundary and the range. The price is being strongly pulled down. As a signal for a downtrend on the ISMA indicator, I'll keep the trade amount at $1,000. The candle has already bounced off the main line of the envelopes, waiting for a red candle and going short. Great, setting the trade to go short. Awesome! A strong downward impulse occurred and we've gained $1,800. I think we can sum up. Today we achieved a profit approximately 20,000 times. That's a decent result. So thank you so much for watching this video and this lesson till the end. I hope this video helped you increase your number of successful trades. And of course, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Wishing you successful trades. Bye bye!